Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today is episode 6, season 3 of Pick My Pour, and you all have chosen to go with the 12 mini layered ribbon pours, alright, with this beautiful Christmas tree farm color palette, because we are still celebrating the holidays here, as this is only the second video in December for this. I just love being able to do these nice Christmas themed type pours. I know you guys really enjoyed the ring pours that we just did in the last one, and I do have another version of the ring pours coming out tomorrow, okay, at 5:45 Eastern Standard Time, okay, because I am part of a beautiful, wonderful, festive holiday Christmas collaboration brought to you by the Fluid Art Express. And you guys all know about how much I love the Fluid Art Express, so please join us there and watch that. It's just gonna be so much fun. There, you guys know there's just so many great artists on that. All right, let's see. What we need to do now is I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, because I really did enjoy what we had done with the rings. So I'm going to do that with the ribbons, okay? I'm just going to centralize it, okay? We're just going here. This is about 22 fluid ounces, and you know this is a 16 by 20. So we're going to centralize those ribbons, all right? And then we're going to stretch them out. So we're going to use the same philosophy we used for the rings to do these abstract rings, and we're going to do these nice abstract ribbons. That's what we're going to do here for this Christmas pour. All right, guys. Let's go through these colors really quick, because I want to get into this pour. It's been so much fun. You know, I really do enjoy being able to create for you guys out there. It just brings me so much joy, all right? And I hope I'm bringing you guys plenty of joy and a lot of information that you guys need to make these pours happen. All right, look, I'm going to jabber on all the time. It doesn't matter. It's going to happen. All right, let's go into these colors, though, really fast. All right, this first color right here is viridian, all right? Then we have grass green, all right? Then the next three colors are going to be metallics, all right? This is lime, all right? This is forest green, and then we have champagne gold, all right? Then we have Mars black here, and, you know, that's always easy. And then, you know, we'll always finish up with the titanium white over there. All right, like I said, I want to get into this because this is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm having fun with this Christmas ideas. You'll see even tomorrow the fun Christmas themes going on. I'm just having so much fun. I really enjoy the Christmas holidays. I really do. This my favorite time of year. There's just so much joy about, and I just love the energy with all the happiness going on. It's just wonderful, and I hope you guys are having a fun time with your family and friends and doing what you love. All right, let's get into this pour now. And you know what, guys? We're gonna go to nice music, layer these cups. This is long, so we're gonna jump out just for a second and then go back in and put this pour down. All right, guys, let's start stuff. And you know what? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, that was awesome. I love it. Look, you guys know, I probably said it a million times by now. You know what? That's an exaggeration, but that I love layering cups, and the more cups I get to layer, the better. I would love to. I love just sometimes I probably have videos where I've almost layered. There's probably 50 cups on here or something. I mean, I love just putting so many cups and just filling them up and layering them like this. It's just wonderful. But we do need to speed up because I don't want these to settle too much. I want them to retain some of their lines in there. So we're going to get these off. We're going to go back into some nice music, guys. And again, have a happy holidays. And I will see you on the other side. Let's go.
I've been waiting all year for my Christmas gifts, making a list. Shiny, wrapped up in a bow, something just for me, baby, you're my wish. What my heart is longing for now, what I really want to see, what I really want underneath my Christmas tree. Getting caught up in the spirit, knowing that it's coming soon. Pretty red and green tinsel all around the room. Singing the old carols by candlelight, roasting chestnuts on the open fire. Every little thing with you just feels right, so right, 'cause Santa always comes at night. I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Soon now you won't be the one I'm waiting on when Santa comes. Seeing visions of Tiffany boxes, blue and turtle doves, kissing on a gas lamp sidewalk underneath the starry sky, walking down the Royal Mile with your hand in mine, feeling like it's gonna happen, that my wish is coming true. I know that I'll be spending Valentine's with you, singing the old carols by candlelight, roasting chestnuts on the open fire. Every little thing with you just feels right, so right, 'cause Santa always comes at night. I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night, yeah. I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve. Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Yeah, I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night, yeah.
All right, everyone. Woo, we're coming down with this one. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is so great. I love these colors. These colors came out so nice. Wow. I'm just trying to get this in frame. Wow. I cannot wait to go into the close-up. Oh, I love this painting so much. These stretched like ribbons and rings. They're just looking so great. And the size of the canvas is just helping out so much because you're just so able to stretch. I'm sorry, you know, I'm cleaning up, I always say it. But yeah, the size of the canvas just helps stretch. And man, this is beautiful. I really love this so much. The colors, these colors are so great. Wow. Okay, again, guys, I do want to give a shout out to Shuttle Arts, because this entire painting was shuttle art except for the Mars Black and the Titanium White, which were both artist loft. So also kudos to them as well. But yeah, the shuttle art, I mean, I'm, obviously, I had talked about it last week with their mislabeling of the colors, and I still kind of agree with that a little. I mean, the the grass green, that was nice. The viridian, that's pretty good, pretty close. So it was really good. But these colors are so great, they pop, and these metallics are so great. These shuttle art metallics, don't sleep on the shuttle art metallics, or everything's just so great. I love it. I'm sorry, I'm really messy today. A lot dripped off in the beginning. But that's okay, because it was nice to get rid of so much of that green on the bottom. Because really that viridian is so nice, because it's got that turquoise vibe to it. So it's pretty cool. All right, guys. Wow. That was awesome. Let's torch. Now let's get this going. So everybody can go to bed. Or it could be, this is the morning, so you're not going to bed while you're watching. I'm going to bed because it's very late. Wow. I cannot wait to go in a close-up of this, guys. Wow, this is so great. I love it. There we go. Let's get this torched up. We're not trying to generate anything here. I really just love the way this looks. All right, there we go. Just pop them some bubbles. All right. All right. So, again, a big thank you for watching these videos, guys, and commenting and having a good time in the chats and everything. It's just so wonderful being able to connect with the viewers, and you guys are just so wonderful. And I know I also say guys a lot. I know it's men and women, but I just group it together. I'm really sorry about it. I know I've had a discussion about that sometime, but yeah, big happy holidays again. And please get ready to watch this great collaboration. Pop on and check it out. So many great artists. We're starting at I believe we're starting at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's just tomorrow on Sunday. And it's just great. It's Fluid Art Express. We love them. And guys, get ready for some more voting for the next few days. We're gonna keep going with these pours. And you know what? I will see you in the next video. Bye.